Hi, welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Subodh and I am here to take you through the fundamentals of Python programming. Python is a high-level interpreted object-oriented programming language. Python nowadays is used for a variety of applications. The use of Python ranges from small-scale projects to large-scale projects. Python is widely used in academia as well as for industrial applications. Python programming has got much advantages compared to their conventional counterparts. One of the major advantages of using Python programming language is that it is much flexible. Anyone new to programming finds it very easy to understand the fundamentals of Python programming. In this video tutorial, we will have a look at how we can write basic programs using Python. We will start our video tutorial by looking at how we can install Python into our system and how we can make it functioning. We will also have a look at how we can write Python without installing Python in our system, that is by using online solutions and online platforms available for implementing Python projects. Later, we will discuss about data structures and data types available in Python. Then we will have a look at what is list and how we can do array management in Python, which is a very important topic. Then we will have a look at image processing methods in Python. And later we will wind this particular video tutorial by looking at a project implementation using Python. If you want to master Python or if you want to master any other programming language, it depends a lot on how well you do hands-on using that programming language. So I recommend you to install Python and start right away by writing simple programs using Python programming language. I wish you all a wonderful learning experience through this particular video tutorial. We will start our video tutorial with the next video. Till then, bye.